So you don't know when you'll be home again?
No. I'm just recording this so I can enjoy it later. Say hi for the camera. No, how am I supposed to show this to like my mother now?
You can show it to your mom. Do you think she'd expect anything else?
Good point. Good point. Somebody spent a hard day drinking. All right, old boy. You just puke in the sink. You puked in the sink, didn't you? Wait a minute, I gotta see them eyes. Come on, give me a close up of the eyes. Come here. Then I'll leave you alone. Come on. Are you serious? You put on a show for the camera? Come on, let me see them eyes. Come on. Alright, signing off.